No, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Shall we start
Good
our
afternoon.
session?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. Today's session is of 90 minutes. First, I am going to discuss over the given topic. The given topic is all about my hobbies. This is the first topic, the first session, and the second topic is second topic is about no poverty. In the first topic, we have come to know about hobbies, favorite game, favorite movies, favorite place to travel, favorite book, favorite dance, which place you want to show your partner and why. Means initially in this topic about my favorite time, we are going to discuss about these three things. And in the second topic about no poverty, the objectives, targets, and indicators about no poverty, current status, what is the status of poverty of our country, what steps are being implemented by our government, NGOs, and the local NGOs. Okay, so I am going to start this session 3, by using the PPTs. The first PPT is about my favorite time. So the first question is, what is my favorite, what is my hobby? My hobby is reading books. So this is me, this PPT. I am reading the book. It is my hobby. And my another hobby is counseling the students. Counseling the students means the students who are not know about their interest, their aptitude, as well as their IQ. I tested these students psychologically, tell them about their IQ, about their aptitude, and about their interest. And according to the students' IQ, interest, and hobby, I shall tell them how to join the college and take further education. So this is called counseling. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
my favorite place to travel is Bodh Gaya. Have you know about Bodh Gaya? Bodh Gaya is one of the sacred place for the Buddhism or Buddhist people all over the world. By religious, I am I am Buddhist. So the favorite place to travel for me is Bodh Gaya. Then the favorite books I have read, lots of books, but my favorite book is The Alchemist. The second one is Othello, which is written by Shakespeare, because I have completed my MA with English, my university graduation and post graduation in literature, English literature. So I like most Shakespeare as a writer, and two of his well-known dramas. Actually, these dramas are tragedies, but I know them, and these are the favorite for me, Othello and Hamlet. Next drama is Pygmalion. It is actually from American literature. It is in English, and George Bernard Shaw wrote this play. Then one of the religious book is my favorite book, that is the Buddha and his Dhamma. It is written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the Indian leader. Then favorite dance is Kathak and Lavani. Kathak is one of the classical dance in India. I like it most. And Lavani is a part of folk dance of India, particularly Maharashtra. It is a folk dance of Maharashtra. This is called Lavani. Which place you want to show your partner? In this question, I want to tell my partner that Ajanta Caves I want to show you, because Ajanta Cave is a very famous cave. There are 27 caves which were excavated before 100 years. It is very near to me, means it is about 36 kilometers from my native place. All the mountains are excavated, and when we see the actual place, we are known about the paintings, ancient painting, the sculpture of Buddhas, and all the caves are the best example of architecture, and for the student of civil engineering and the student of drawing and painting. The speciality of this place, Ajanta Cave, is it is excavated during the British government was ruling over the country. When Major Gill, one of the officer of British, went in the forest, he shot the tiger, but he heard something which was amazing for him. So he entered the forest, and with the help of British government and the local government of Maharashtra or India, he excavated all the area and found the Ajanta caves. When the World Historical Sites of UN known about these places, caves, without any registration, Ajanta caves are registered in the history of World Heritage Site. So I want to show this place to my partner that this is one of the best place to travel. Means when you come to India, I must say to visit Ajanta Caves. It is also near my native place where I am living, 36 kilometers from my native place. But I am not telling that it is just nearer to me. That's why I am telling to you it is the best place. But it is a historical site, and it is registered without any recommendation in UN historical site, the world historical site. So it is amazing to see for the traveler. Every year thousands of travelers, tourists come to visit Ajanta caves. Now the second part of our discussion is no poverty. Okay, but
Yes, sir.
before that, you tell me about your favorite time, one by one. Who can start first? Hello.
Hello.
Hi, madam. Will you please start and tell me about your favorite time? What is
Yes, sir.
your yes?
Uh, Sir, my hobby is listening to music and reading books.
What's about favorite game?
My favorite game is such a favorite Haidudu. It's called Bengali Haidudu. Um, it's very funny, funny game, and I also favorite such a says. Says favorite because is intelligent and informed in the game of chess. My favorite place to travel uh, হচ্ছে কক্সবাজার সি বিচ কক্সবাজার সি বিচ আর মাই ফেভারিট ডান্স ক্লাসিক্যাল ফেভারিট ডান্স হচ্ছে ক্লাসিক্যাল আর অ্যান্ড I want to show my partners শালবন বুদ্ধিস্ট মিনিস্ট্রি যেটা ময়নামতি কুমিল্লা অফ বাংলাদেশ স্টে there are many beautiful places of interesting in our country. Among those places of interested, I like to visit Shalban Bihar because Shalban Bihar is an archaeological site in Manamoti, Kumilla, Bangladesh. The rice are in the middle of the Lalmai Hills. Uh, 115 cells of MOOCs. It operates through the 12th century. So, and my favorite books of Gitanjali, Ravi Thakur Gitanjali and Golpagucho. That's it. That's all, sir.
Okay, thank you. You told me that you want your partner to show the Shalvan Buddhist temple. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Shalvan Buddhist monastery. Where is it?
Is it Lalmai, Kumilla? Moinamoti Lalmai, Kumilla.
Okay. This is Bodh Gaya.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's very nice place. I can see YouTube.
Okay. Okay. Please repeat the place. Shalvan.
Shalbon Buddhist Ministry, Moinamoti, Kumilla.
Shalvan Buddhist. Thank you, madam. Now the
Most
next.
welcome, sir.
Okay. Rumana ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me about all about your favorite child.
Good afternoon, everybody. Hello.
Ah, yes. Good afternoon.
My favorite first hobby, handicraft, and read the famous book. Uh, varieties person, ঐতিহাসিক. Handicraft means পরিত্যক্ত, useless. Recovery materials. Hobby, my hobby, handicraft, and read the famous book. Varieties, Monishi, handicraft made by Rome. I shall useless materials. Just for example, bottle, jar, bash, bed. I saw it, vase. I made by vase, flower, and paper. Made by paper. I saw made by paper and baskets, plastic jar, useless. Another useless. Nafle, I made by sir. This paper, sir, saw me.
Yes, yes.
I made it vase, fuldani. This is paper, color paper. Both में container or show me sticker, and this is full. Yeah, ma'am.
Nice, ma'am.
Nice.
স্যার ভিতরে আছে, ভিতরে একটা
Very
কন্টেনার
beautiful.
আছে, it made me so আরেকটা তার বাংলায় বলছি, this is খলাই, fish in the খলাই, and bash, made by bash, and flower vase, our base, and this is Karu Shilpo. This is Bangladesh called Karu Shilpo. Is it, sir?
Okay, very nice.
Others, basket, sir. Basket, broken the basket and useless. I will take the dustbin. Not. I collected it and second time use his. Yeah.
Very nice.
This is my idea, and I don't. Favorite game, badminton. I play badminton, and I'm playing badminton after I read আমি যখন after 10th read the 10th class, I will play the badminton, and I am athlete. I'm
Okay.
athlete. এজন্য ব্যাডমিন্টন আমার প্রিয়। ফেভারিট মুভি হ্যারি পটার, স্যার। ফেভারিট মুভি হ্যারি পটার। হ্যারি পটার ইমেজিং ভৌতিক, but I very interested. Favorite place of travel, Buddha Vihar. Buddha Vihar means Gautam Buddha, and it is Paharpur and historical place.
Okay. Madam, you have told me that your favorite game is badminton. My
Yes,
favorite
sir.
game is also badminton. So,
Yeah.
which player is your favorite player, badminton player?
Yes, sir.
Who is your favorite badminton player? Because my favorite
I
is PV Sindhu from India.
I am athlete and badminton player. I childhood badminton, and I interested. Badminton is I think physical exercise.
Yes,
Good
yes.
for physical exercise, mentally depression, and body fitness. মুভমেন্ট অ্যান্ড বডি ফিটনেস, দিস এ কারণে হয়তো মানে ব্যাডমিন্টনটা এত প্রিয়, এবং হার্ট পরিশ্রম,
Yes, yes.
আই মিন হার্ট এক্সারসাইজ,
Okay, okay.
যা मानव देह के लिए अच्छा है।
Right, right.
मानव देह मानव देह सुस्त रहेगा तो खेलना बहुत अच्छा है। आई थिंक बैडमिंटन गुड एक्सरसाइज एंड गुड प्ले। गर्ल और बोथ दोनों बैडमिंटन खेलता है, এবং ব্যাডমিন্টনটা বয়স্ক যারা 40 আপ টপ, লেকিন সবাই এটা খেলতে পারে।
Okay.
ম্যাডাম, ব্যাডমিন্টনের কোনো বয়স নেই। একটা সময় দেখা গিয়েছে যে ব্যাডমিন্টন হয়তো 50 আপ खेलना नहीं पता है, लेकिन 40-45 ये आदमी बैडमिंटन खेलना पाता है।
Okay, okay. The next question is, as I told you
yes,
that my favorite
sir.
movie that is in Hindi.
Yes, sir.
Anand. Anand is my favorite.
Hey. Anand.
Anand.
Yeah.
Which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie, Harry Potter.
Okay.
Sir, Harry Potter, amazing, and dramatical, भौतिक की बोलबो सर, भौतिक जादू। हैरी पॉटर ऐसा मूवी जो बच्चों के लिए भौतिक में है। हम हिंदी सीरियल देखता है, आहत, शपथ भौतिक सीरियल में जितना कहानी होता है, जितना आदमी होता है, हैरी पॉटर ऐसा कुछ कहानी, लेकिन हैरी पॉटर जो तर आँख में, ब्रेन में एंड ऐसा कुछ करता है जो दिखने पे उसका फ्रेंड्स, उसका साथिया उसको भागने में दौड़ाते हैं एंड हैरी पॉटर को जेलस फील करता है।
Yes, yes.
Favorite place to travel, Buddha Vihar.
Yeah.
Buddha Vihar mean Paharpur. Buddha Vihar, I will give the link, Buddha Vihar link. Sir,
Yes, yes.
show me.
Okay, 1 minute.
I link your
Yes.
messenger,
Messenger.
Facebook messenger.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. सर, जब आप बुद्ध विहार खुजता है तब मैं हैंडीक्राफ्ट और कुछ देखता हूँ। दिस इज पानी पॉट, वाटर पॉट। ढकना गिर गया, लेकिन मैं उसको नहीं फैला दिया, उसको भैंस में रूप में रखा और उसको अंदर में सर उसका अंदर में छोटो छोटो पत्थर रखा हूँ मैं, पत्थर छोटो छोटो पत्थर या छोटो पत्थर का टुकड़ा है, उसको अंदर में दिया एंड उसको भैंस में रखना या वाटर पॉट। उसका ढकना गिर गया, लेकिन मैं उसको नहीं फैला, मैं उसको भैंस में रखा एंड अदर फ्लावर, रजनीगंधा स्टिक, ग्लैडियोलस एंड गुलाब, जब ताजा है फूल उसका अंदर में रखता हूँ मैं। हफ्ता खने रखेगा और घर में सुबह रहेगा और एक भी दिस इज कलशी पानी वाटर, ग्रामीण ओमेन घाट नौका, ग्रामीण रिवर में पानी आता है, कलसी, ये जो कलसी पानी काकर मिलते हैं ऐसे कलसी, कलसी में मैं डिजाइन करता हूँ एंड दिस इज भैंस, लेकिन डूबना जाते हैं। उधर में स्टिकर है, ये मेरा डॉटर का स्टिकर जो नष्ट हुआ, मैं उसको नहीं फैला, उससे इधर में इसका पिन तो भैंस में पावर, भैंस में रिसाइकल बिन और उसका बाद में रूप आता हूँ। सर आप देख पाता है?
Excellent.
অনেক সুন্দর হয়েছে ম্যাডাম।
এটাই হচ্ছে আমার ক্রিয়েটিভিটি। আমাদের সাস্টেনেবল গোল বলা হচ্ছে ক্রিয়েটিভিটি, এটাই হচ্ছে সেই ক্রিয়েটিভিটি ম্যাম। পানির পটটাতে আমি যে মাঝে মাঝে রজনীগন্ধা এনে রাখি, যাতে এখানে পাথর আছে যে ওই পাথরে পানিও দেয়া আছে, তাহলে ওই রজনীগন্ধাগুলো অনেকদিন তাজা থাকে আর কি, ফ্লেভারটা আসে, আর সতেজ থাকে। দেখা যায় অনেক সময় ওই যে গন্ধ বের হয়ে যায়, এখানে থাকলে কিন্তু গন্ধটা হয় না। এই
হয়
জন্য
না, হ্যাঁ।
এখানে আবার পরবর্তীতে এই যে আমি এরকম ভাবে রেখেছি। আর এই যে এটা দেখালাম আমাদের লোকশিল্প ক্লাস 8 যে টপিকটা আছে,
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ,
টপিকসে এটা আমার কিন্তু বাঁশ, বিভিন্ন যে শিল্প আছে, বাঁশ, বেশ,
হ্যাঁ,
বেত,
হ্যাঁ,
বাঁশ শিল্প,
হ্যাঁ,
কারুশিল্প যেটা, এটা আমার কিন্তু সেই
হুম,
উপকরণ। আমি ম্যাম,
হুম।
আপনি আপনি হয়তো আমার সাথে অ্যাড নাই, তো এই উপকরণটা নিয়ে আমার একটা ক্লাস আছে। আমাদের
ও
লোকশিল্প
আচ্ছা।
অর্থাৎ নকশি কাঁথা, সেটাতে আমি নকশি কাঁথা দেখিয়েছি।
ও
কাঁসার থালা বাসন,
হুম।
এবং কাঁসার থালা বাসন তো নাই আমাদের, নিয়ে আসছে একজনের কাছ থেকে। আর তারপরে জামদানি শাড়ি, নকশি কাঁথা, এই যে নকশি
ও
কাঁথা, নকশি কাঁথা করবো। আর বালিশের মধ্যে যে নকশি করা আছে, এই যে
হ্যাঁ,
হাতের কাজ, এই যে
হুম।
নকশি কাঁথা, এটাই হচ্ছে নকশি কাঁথা এবং খাদি। স্যার,
নকশি কাঁথা আমিও করি মাঝে মধ্যে।
না আমি
ভালো
ম্যাম
লাগে।
আসলে কোনো কিছু ফেলাই না, টুক 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 করে রেখে দেই,
হুম।
দিয়ে এগুলা এটাই করি। স্যার,
Okay. Your creativity is an excellent thing. Because
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
creative,
Yes, sir.
yes, because creative thinking is the 21st century's skill. Creativity and critical
ইয়েস স্যার।
thinking. Okay, so you use your
ইয়া,
creativity for your students and it is very useful for them. Because
ইয়েস
with
স্যার।
the help of creativity, the most wonderful craft work are
ইয়া,
produced. Okay.
ইয়া,
So I think this is our first session and it is over. First
ইয়া,
part of third session. We have already
ইয়া।
discussed on our hobby,
স্যার,
our
আই অ্যাড ইট, যেটা হচ্ছে মাই ফেভারিট মুভি,
okay.
এটাও স্যার বলা হয় নাই। মাই ফেভারিট মুভি ইজ আগুনের পরশমণি অ্যান্ড গেরিলা, বেঙ্গলি মুভি.
Yes.
These are movies about the liberation war of Bangladesh. These
Yeah.
movies have portrayed the real picture of the liberation war of Bangladesh.
Okay. Thank you.
স্যার, my favorite book, Maxim Gorky Ma,
Ma,
English, Ma, Maxim Gorky Ma,
mother,
my
mother.
favorite book, Mother,
Yes,
বই
it is.
নাম হচ্ছে মা। মা, ফেভারিট ডান্স, ক্লাসিক্যাল ডান্স, বাংলায় হচ্ছে লোকনৃত্য। যে নাচটা উইল বি মাই ডটার ক্লাसिकल नृत्य, लोकनृत्य, बट उसका लिंक्स आपको मैं मैसेंजर में ऑलरेडी दिया हूँ।
Okay, 1 minute. Is this dance?
सर, सो
Is this that link?
Yeah.
I am sharing the PPT that the day before yesterday we have already discussed about no hunger, and in the third session of today, in the
About
third,
no poverty.
yes, part 2, we are going to discuss about all about the no poverty. So what steps are being implemented by government to reduce poverty? To reduce poverty means to eradicate poverty or to reduce poverty means most of the people of the population are poorer, but it is about 10% in number. It is about 10% in number. What steps are being implemented by my government, your government, to reduce the poverty? So today we shall discuss on these topics. First, I am telling you that in our country there are some of the specific schemes. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana. This is the scheme to reduce the poverty. Through this scheme, the government has given the chance to the poor people to work together and to earn something for their bread and butter to eat. Government already implement one scheme, that is Jawahar Rozgar Yojana. Now the another scheme for Skill India, the another scheme to reduce the poverty in India, the government of India implemented the second scheme, that is Skill India. With the help of this scheme, the poor people, means husband, wife, their children, their young children, will get employment, and with the help of this employment they will able to earn something for their bread and butter. Now these are the national scheme, but even the state government also implemented such a scheme. If in this pandemic situation, when the lockdown is going on in Maharashtra, government, means our state government, has implemented the scheme of Shiva Bhojan Thali. This is the name of the scheme. Shiva Bhojan Thali means the poorer go to the Shiv Bhojan Thali shop. There he or she get the bhojan, means eating plate to eat for them within 5 rupees per day. So the scheme of the state government is for the people to reduce, because in this pandemic situation, if there will be no work, but they will not lose their life. For that, one scheme is within 5 rupees, one poor person can get Shiv Bhojan Thali, means a meal for a day. The second scheme
Sir,
is,
only 5 rupees.
yes, only 5 rupees. One person can get one time meal in
Yeah.
Maharashtra. Okay. The second scheme is that
Okay.
when in this situation, when the poor people are unable to work on the street, the poor people are unable to work in the field, the poor people are unable to open their shop and buy and sell, all the shops are closed in these days. So every person has minimum 5 kilogram of wheat, jawar, rice, dal, etc. on their ration card. This is the another scheme.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In Delhi, the government has given for the rickshaw wala means the rickshaw driver,
Yes, sir.
5,000 rupees per month in their bank account for 2 months, because the Delhi government chief minister is thinking that after 2 months we will be in common situation. The pandemic was over or will be over, and there will be common situation. People will come to the street to work, come to the shop to open their shops, buy and sell. The farmer will be in their fields, work together. So for 2 months, the drivers who are the people who are poor people who are working as a driver, the Delhi government has given them 5,000 rupees per month in their account for 2 months. 5,000 plus 5,000. So in this way, the government has implemented the scheme to reduce the poverty. Manrega, Jawahar Rozgar Yojana, the Skill India Yojana. Through these schemes, the government are taking right steps to reduce the poverty. Then uh, in education, in the field of education, there are some schemes like that. uh, RTE admission, 25% RTE admission. So what is 25% RTE admission? 25% right to education means every child from 0 to 14 years of age, every child from 0 to 14 years age has right to education. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
In India, every child has a right to education from 0 to 14 years of age. So the
Yeah.
education of the poorer means the child of poor people has been given free of cost free of cost in every school or colleges at the age of 14. So every school and secondary school, there will be scheme of 20% free admission for the people who are living under the below the poverty line. So uh, the admission scheme is declared every year, and everywhere the 20%, 25% admission of the poor people's children is given already free of cost, even in English medium, semi-English medium, Marathi medium, and non-Marathi medium for all the people who are poor or below the poverty line. Uh, for SC, ST, and NTs, these are the codes for the poor people's reservation. Have you know about reservation? In India, the poor people has given the reservation. The socially downtrodden people have given the reservation in this scheme. Means in the Constitution of India, actually the Constitution of India has been written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the Indian leader. He thought about the people in those days who are socially downtrodden and economically backward. So SC and STs are socially downtrodden, and OBCs are other backward class, means economically backward class. So for these people's children, as a student, they have been given scholarship every year to complete their education, and when getting education they will be free from the poverty. So this is also the scheme of our government that implemented for the student whose parents were living below the poverty line. So these are some of the schemes of our government which are being implemented in our country to reduce the poverty. So I'm proudly say that if the students of the poor children who are student in our school or colleges will get benefit of this scholarship, 20% RTE admission, they will be able to learn and earn more. Due to this, the poverty will be ended. And it is also our session that no poverty means what steps are being implemented by our government to reduce the poverty. So these are the steps implemented by my government, means our government India, to reduce the poverty. That's why the target, the indicators related to poverty are like that. For example, eradicate extreme poverty for all people living on the less than $1.25 per day. So these are called the people who are poor people, and for these people there are some of the scheme in India. Appropriate social protection system. So to give the appropriate social protected system, Indian government will implemented the Jawahar Rozgar Yojana as well as the Manarega Yojana for the poor people to get the chance to earn their bread and butter. Sometimes access to basic services like equal right to economical resources, ownership and control over land and other form of poverty, inheritance, natural resources, appropriate needs. For that, sometimes the government scheme will allow the farmer to give some seeds free of cost. The material which is used to plant their seeds is given free of cost. Some of the scheme of well in the field, dug the well in the field free of cost. So these are some of the schemes given to the farmers in India to reduce the poverty. Then climate related extreme events sometimes happen. For example, there are lots of rain and there will be no harvest. There are floods, drought, such type of natural calamities come when the government provide collected some money like 1 day's payment of even teacher and government servant will be reduced to give the poor farming people or the poor people. So this way the Indian government implemented the schemes to reduce the poverty. Is it clear? Will you understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the schemes implemented by the Indian government to reduce the poverty. Now one by one, you tell me what the Bangla government implemented the schemes reduce to poverty. Who will start first?
Sir, I will start
Okay,
that.
okay, madam. Welcome. Please start.
Okay. Sir, Bangladesh has set an ambitious goal to become a middle income country by 2021 in the year. It celebrates of 5th anniversary of its independence. So equally important to achieving to cooperative middle income state in making sure that all Bangladesh share in the expected growth required to achieve this goal, particularly the poor. So the government of Bangladesh Vision 2030 21 and the associate prospective plan 2010 to 2021 lay out a series of development targets that must be achieved if Bangladesh want to transform itself to a middle income countries. So over the 2000 to 2010 indicated Bangladesh experienced steady and strong GDP growth, averaging 6% per year during the same period. Poverty rates have also demonstrated steady improvement with an average decline of 1.7% points per year. Although not quite as rapid as the remarkable 2.5% points per year decline that China experienced during this period. Bangladesh rate of poverty reduction was nevertheless almost twice as fast as the experience by the rest of the world. This impressed trade in poverty reduction has helped Bangladesh achieve the Millennium Development Goal (MDG) on poverty 2 years ahead of school date. The MDGs stipulated that the proportion of people living in poverty that prevailed in 1990, 55%, must be reduced by at last one half by in the year 2015 under realistic growth Skinner's the 2015 poverty in headcount of Bangladesh will fall well below the MDG target of 28.5%. And even under a pessimistic scanner of 3.8% GDP growth rate per among the poverty headcount projection will still surpass the MDG target by 2% points. Extreme poverty rates have fell by more than half since 1990. While this is a remarkable achievement, one is 5 people in developing regions still live no less than $1.90 per day. Millions more make little more than this daily amount and are the risks of slipping back into extreme poverty. and it's Bangladesh national poverty rate rose to 29.5% as of June uh, 2020 due to COVID-19, which cost tens of millions of people their jobs and brought them down below the poverty line. So, according to Bangladesh Bureau of Statistics, যেটা হচ্ছে BBS data, the poverty rate declined to 20.5 in the country at the end of 2018 to 19 fiscal year from 21.8% in 2017 to 18 fiscal year. The extreme poverty rate also come down to 10.5% from 11.3 during the among them 49.43 million people are now in poverty. So its pandemic situation, our governments are many steps of poverty. So one more steps of হচ্ছে রিলিফ, যেটা বুঝায় আর কি, রিলিফ দেওয়া এই প্যান্ডেমিক সিচুয়েশনের মধ্যে বেশ কিছু দরিদ্র পরিবারকে পুয়ার ফ্যামিলিকে রিলিফ দেওয়া। সো এর মধ্যে it's rice, flour, oil, onion, etc. It's called relief. So among them is people are now in poverty. Okay, sir. That's all.
Okay.
Sure, sir. Hello?
So overall, we can say that in the pandemic situation, the poverty rate is increasing in our country.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Rumana ma'am.
Yes, sir. About no providing.
Yes.
Sustainable Development Goal SDG1 or global goal. One of the 70 Sustainable Development Goals established by the United Nations in 215 calls for no poverty. The official wording is no need to poverty in all its form everywhere. Member countries have placards to leave no one behind. Understanding the goal is a powerful commitment to leave no one behind and to reach those hurdles behind fast. SDG aims to eradicate every form of extreme poverty, including the lack of food, clean drinking water, zero hunger food, education, and 17 items.
Yes.
The Sustainable Development Goal SDG are considered in the context of learning, resource and capacity building. SDG are officially known as transforming our world. With the 2030 uh, agenda for established development as a set of 13 uh, again 17 global goals with 169 targets between them.
Yeah, yeah.
We keep diversity and open educational resource, and therefore the capacity building uh, and learning is addressed by this module about SDG, with SDG targeting other learning resource can be behind with SDG with weekly veracity. It is learning objects must with one or for more SDG. Its SDG concept was spearheaded by the United Nations through a deliberative process, being its 193 member state as well as global civil security. The global are content the perhaps 54 United Nations relations uh, 7 of 25 September 2015. Relation is a border in intergovernment agreement that acts of the post 2015 development agenda. The SDGs is large measures informed by the perspective reflected in the obtained curated association by Ban Ki-moon, the United Nations. BRICS literacy and capacity building is key to support sustainable delicate making. The recognition of the post 2015 development agenda. The title of the agenda is transforming our world is 2013 university certificate with SDG assignment, lesson learner from Millennium Development Goals, list of SDG learning resource, learning taxes, see also source, see also reference, external links. Sir.
Okay. Then what steps are taken by your government?
Yeah.
What?
By government, the poor people, uh, education, food, and IT sector. দোর গোড়ায় গ্রাম প্রত্যন্ত গ্রামাঞ্চল বিলো এডুকেটেড দোরগোড়ায় এই তথ্য সেবাটা পৌঁছে দেওয়ার জন্য বিভিন্ন রকম পদক্ষেপ গ্রহণ করেছে মাই গভর্নমেন্ট concept no more people hunger, no more people education, no more people ballo bibaho, no more people clean drinking water, zero hunger. I think I think I will not agree. So sustainable goals are no successful. Successful. We are all include So sustainable goal are successful. Uh, yeah, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, education related scheme of government, because
Education
we have,
related theme of government.
yes, yes, because we have from 2 days have been discussing over the end of poverty. To end of the poverty, the UN has decided 17 goals and 169 targets. With the help of these 17 targets, we begin our session with the first target. That first target is no poverty. To end the poverty, the mobilization resources has been provided by our government. Mobilization resources are the education, the social protection by the government. I have already told you, in our country, means in India, the government has implemented such scheme like 25% admission for the children who are the kids of the poor people. 25% free admission in any school. This is one of the scheme in Maharashtra and as well as in India, that is implemented by the government, because it is a mobilization resource to help the student to learn. Then they will able to earn something, and this way we are able to reduce the poverty with the help of the government scheme. So this is mobilization resources. The another thing is that health health scheme. For example, in this pandemic situation, the government hospitals, means most of the COVID patient have been hospitalized in the government hospital, so that they will be cured without spending money, because they are hospitalized in government hospitals. And the last scheme I have already told you, that is the social protection. Social protection means most of the people in the society, yes, they are they are economically backward, economically backward.
Backward.
Okay, economically backward. So the economically backward means the poor people. The poor people are unable to give education to their children. So government help them to give scholarship. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
my government helped the primary education or free or scholarship class 6 to Madhavan 11 12 not only specific student are free and girls both student some school girl are free.
Yes, yes. In our country also, up to
Both
12th standard, girls are able to give free education up to 12th standard.
yeah to 12 standard
Yes.
but boys schools some give up tuition fee 130 or 150 per month
Okay, ma'am. So
boys tuition fee.
today's today's session we have discussed the two topics. Okay. Now
Yeah.
we have
Yes,
just
sir.
now we have just 1 minute. I'm going to wind up the session. In this session, means in this third session, we have two topics. The first topic is all about our favorite time. We have discussed here our hobby, our favorite books, then
Game,
cinema,
books, movies.
movies, games, etc. And in the another topic, we have discussed about no poverty. And in
No
this topic,
poverty.
yes, in this topic, we all three members of this project have been discussing over how to reduce the poverty and what steps are taken by India and Bangladesh government to reduce the poverty, and we hope that